What is up, guys? We are out riding today, and it is a beautiful day out in Ohio. Thanks for coming along. If you're new here, I appreciate you stopping by. If you're back, thank you for subscribing. We have 50 subscribers on the channel. Honestly, I never thought I'd even hit 50, so the fact that you guys like watching the videos, it makes me happy, and it obviously makes it more enticing to do more. So we're just out today riding around rural Ohio. We're stopping out at Myers, yay fun, grocery store shopping with my wife, who is out there in front of me. And we're out on the 300 Grom doing our first motovlog here. And it's a great day. It's about 50 degrees and really windy. I'm getting blown around quite a bit, but still enjoyable. I forgot my gloves, so that's pretty miserable. I did throw pants on, which you'll know if you know me. I almost never wear pants when I ride because I'm almost always riding above 60 degrees. Normally I'm in shorts. Yeah, do with that what you will. I know a lot of people get mad about the safety concerns of shorts and whatever, but to be fair, there's a lot of things that we all do as riders that really go against safety things. So for me, it really just boils down to, are you safe and aware of your surroundings? Because ultimately there are two things that cause you to get into a bad spot on a bike, whether that be a mini bike, a big bike, a leader bike, Harley, whatever. Two things that are going to make you have a bad time. One, you are being an idiot. Don't be an idiot while you ride. It's that simple. And two, other people are being an idiot. Other drivers on the road are swerving, speeding, not looking at you, or you're not looking at them. One of those two. It's either your fault or the other. And it's really that simple. So, in my mind, if you just make sure that other people aren't being dumb and you're not being dumb, you're going to have a good time. I know last year we were out in the Small Bore Rally down in Tennessee, and it was a great, great time, and there were quite a few people on the Dragon that, again, were being dumb. Don't be dumb. They fell, they hit their head, their helmet's fucked, they're fucked. You know, don't get fucked. It's that simple. Man, is it windy today. All right, so end tangent. Thanks for coming, guys. I just turned on some Era. I don't know if you guys are into that, but some metal music. I do a lot of metal. Really all over the place. I'll do opera to classical to metal, hip-hop, R&B. It's when I say all music, but just jamming out, enjoying the day. Doing about 55 right now. Like I said, a straight headwind. I'm getting blown back something fierce, but still enjoyable. I'm just glad it's spring, man. Feels like forever that this winter sucked. We didn't even get any snow. Like, what the heck? I like to snowboard. I went once this year. Once! And granted, it seems like year over year, depending on where you live, you may or may not get snow, but year over year here in Ohio, every year we get less and less snow, and it's just not even, I might just sell all my snowboarding stuff. Man, it sucks to get your hopes up, but I might just put all my chips in on riding, and then that way I can actually have something to look forward to rather than like, yay, it's gonna snow soon, and then, damn it, it never snowed. Makes me so mad. So yeah, we're out in Amish land right now. It's kind of different place. Normally I stay kind of more suburban, but something different. I figured a nice easy ride, straight. I can kind of do some little weeble wobbles if I wanted to. Get some miles on the ruckus. This isn't a ruckus. I'm all mixed up. My Grom. It's the thing, man. When you're not out riding, your clarity, everything gets messed up. You're saying the wrong words. You're getting all cooped up in the house, itching. It's like you're addicted and you can't do anything. You're going through withdrawals. Also, minor apologies. I do tend to look around all over the place when I ride. For me, it's a safety thing, but I just like to look around. Like, I don't know, some people might have no views like this where they are, so I just enjoy it. We'll wind this out. So most of our roads out here, they're all about 45, 50 generally. Really just depends where you are, but if you're in the city, it's like 35. But I kind of label them all as 45s. It's fine. Cops are nice. And, you know, going back to the beginning of the video, as long as you're not doing one of those two things that will essentially get you killed eventually, you should be alright. Cops don't really bother you around here. I know some of my friends out west, they very much are like, you can't even go 1 mile per hour over the speed limit, which is so dumb, but alas, it's what it is, and if you know that's how it is, then obviously follow the rules a little bit more, but this intersection is by far the worst. We got one stop sign here, straight through, stop sign back there. So, like, there are always people getting in accidents, and they really just need to put in a stoplight there. I don't know why they haven't, but this guy built his school bus into a Jeep rig. That's pretty cool. You can haul around and go out to off-road parks and stuff. I used to be super into Jeeping, and I've since sold all that to start a few of our businesses, but now I will say this place, they're really bad. If you go any at all over the speed limit, they get real angry. My buddy in his 350Z, oh my god, his first and only speeding ticket, he was doing 2 over here. And to this day, he swears up and down about never coming back here. But to be fair, you were speeding, you know, 1 or 2 mile an hour, that's dumb. That's very dumb. That's a cop that's having a bad day. I don't know, like, if his spouse died or something, or he's just, I don't know, maybe his spouse is cheating on him. Maybe he's not married, he wants to be married. I don't know, why is it all related to marriage? Maybe his cat died. Let's go with that. He's a very loving, cat-friendly cop. The things that come into my head. Makes no sense. Little swerve. Boop, 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 boop. Doo, 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 doo. So yeah, I'm really excited. We're going to do a lot more motovlogging about things specific. This is more just a general, you know, out and riding and testing audio and video and all that. For all I know, my camera is looking down at my crotch right now. So we're going to test all this out and see. But thanks for coming around and enjoying the ride. I'm in Northeast Ohio, Smithville right now. If you guys are anywhere remotely close to the area, let me know. Always down to ride, make new friends, and just enjoy it. It's all the small bore scene as a whole. That's what I love about it. It's just all about community and making those memories together, because ultimately we all know we look dumb. Let's be real, we all know we look dumb. But if there's a bunch of us, then we look cool! Just kidding. No, kind of. I'm kind of kidding. But just having small bikes, it's a lot more fun to have more people to ride with, just because, as a whole, they're not generally fast. They're not just for getting us place to place, they're for making those memories, having fun with it, and just making connections and memories. It's all life is. If you can't enjoy it, why are you living? It's my mind. Yeah, out here we have a lot of cornfields. It's kind of miserable, honestly. But depending on, I don't know, say if you live in like Chicago or something, you probably think it's amazing because it's not just super urban all the time. Whoa, big wind. Almost knocked me down. Oh man, that thing slapped me from the side. Yeah, a lot of cornfields. A lot of cornfields. We just sent out our parts, so I got the frame for the Ruck and both the rear and the front frame, and then the front tube cover. We got the seat bracket, just all the stuff we got from FLP, and sent that out to powder yesterday. So that'll be a couple weeks till it probably gets done and comes back. But super excited about that. Went with the Nardo Gray, and all things considered, once we're done, that thing should make about 40 foot-pounds of torque. It's going to be a monster. I'm a bigger dude. I need the power. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get traction on that thing, to be fair. We'll see. We'll see. I'm really excited about it, though. It's going to be the first Ruckus. I actually went with a fat rear wheel, so it's an 8-inch wide. All of my other Rucks, I think we've had now 5 over the years, and they all have the skinny stretches, or the skinnies in general. So that's going to be a whole nother learning curve in itself. I'm excited about it, though. It's just not going to be able to be carved nearly as much like you would expect on a normal Ruckus or a Grom or anything with like a 4-inch wide wheel. To the store, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for stopping around. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. And any new content you guys want to see, any thoughts, if this video sucked, let me know. Tell me I suck. I love the feedback. Or don't tell me I suck. That's cool too, but ultimately, just let me know your thoughts, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!